Gaming on the ROG Ally X is amazing, but after 1 hour or two, your hands can start to cramp. So can this $25 accessory really fix that? It's from B360. This is the BreedGaming Ergo Handgrip and protective case for the ASUS ROG Ally X. It sells for about $24.99 and BreedGaming was kind enough to send me all three color options: Fusion Blaze, Venom Green and Ally X Black. By the way, links can be found in the video description. So this product is designed to do two main things: make the ROG Ally X more comfortable to hold during long sessions and protect it from bumps and scratches. So let's break down how it actually performs. What you get here is a modular setup. You can snap on just the hand grips if you want a lightweight feel, or attach the full backplate for maximum protection. The assembly is simple and flexible. Option 1 is the snap-on method. Just slide each grip onto the sides of your Ally X until it clicks into place. And if you want full protection, line up the backplate and press it down until it locks. And that's it. No tools needed and it takes less than a minute. As for option 2, you get the screw method, which is optional for extra security. First, align the backplate and grips on the Ally X. Then use the small screws provided with the case to secure the grips and backplate, and then tighten carefully. This keeps everything firmly in place, perfect if you want to carry the device around a lot. So the whole case weighs only about 115 grams, so it doesn't add much bulk. The shell is under 2 mm thick, but the honeycomb structure gives it real strength. The grips are textured and rubberized, making the Ally X feel more secure in your hands, and work fine with screen protectors. What really surprised me about the Ergo grip is how solid it feels once it's on. Even with just the snap-on method, there is no rattling or loose fit. It really hugs the Ally X securely, and with the screws, it feels almost like an integrated part of the handheld. I also like that the ports at the top and the power button are still easily accessible, and same goes for the two back buttons. The ventilation at the top and back isn't blocked by the case either, which is important to keep temperatures under control. And a fun bonus is that you can even set the Ally X upright with the case attached. It's probably not designed for that, but it's kinda cool that you can. As for the comfort and ergonomics, this is where the case makes the biggest difference. Without them, the Ally X feels a little flat. But with the grips, I could play for hours without way less wrist and palm strain. For example, when I was playing Forza Horizon, I noticed my thumbs and wrists weren't fighting the flat edges anymore. That kind of difference really adds up after a couple of hours. And when I jumped into Call of Duty, the grips actually helped me keep steadier aim during longer firefights. Normally after a while, my hands tense up with the flat design, but here I stayed more relaxed and accurate. I also noticed that when you set the handheld down, the case elevates it slightly. That improves airflow and keeps the Ally X cooler, especially when you put it down in between gaming sessions, where the vents usually get blocked. After testing it for a good while, here's what stood out to me. First, yes, you will notice a clear improvement in ergonomics. Long RPG or racing sessions just felt easier on my hands. But I also noticed a small drawback, as the bumpers and triggers felt a bit harder to reach compared to playing without the case. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth mentioning if you're sensitive to comfort details. On the flip side, I never had to worry about the Ally X slipping out of my hands, even during longer gaming sessions. That extra grip gave me peace of mind when gaming on the couch or in bed. So let's move on to the fun part, the colors. There's the bold Venom Green, the clean Ally X Black, and the fiery Fusion Blaze. Personally, I love the Fusion Blaze as it really makes the Ally X pop and stand out. Black is the safe and stealthy choice, and Venom Green adds just the right amount of flash. So let's talk about some pros and cons. As for the pros, it definitely makes the Ally X more comfortable for long sessions. It adds protection without making the device heavy. The modular design is smart, and I like that it helps with airflow. Plus, you can pick a color that fits your style. As for the cons, I only found one thing, and that is that the bumpers and triggers are slightly less easy to press, which might be a bit nitpicky, but I want to provide you with as much detail as possible about this product. And to be fair, at this price, it's competing with much more expensive cases and grips. So even with this small nitpick, it still punches above its weight. So here's my summary and verdict. For under $25, the BreedGaming Ergo Handgrip and protective case is a pretty solid upgrade. It's not perfect, but absolutely improves comfort and gives your Ally X some extra protection. If you play a lot in handheld mode, this is a budget-friendly accessory that makes a real difference. And if you're someone who travels with your Ally X, this case is almost a no-brainer. The protection alone makes it worth it. But even if you mostly play at home, it's the comfort upgrade that really sells it for me. So honestly, at this price point, I would say it's a must-have if you own an ROG Ally X. By the way, links can be found in the video description, but if you first have some questions about this product, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if this video was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, that would be super helpful. And then click right here to watch the next video. See you there.